it's your girl Monica. We're back. It's spooky season, so you know what that means. We're doing 13 Days of Halloween again this year, starting with Locke from The Nightmare Before Christmas. So if you'd like to see how I did this look, please keep on watching. Alright guys, this is a pretty easy one to start off with. We're going to start with blocking out our brows using an Elmer's glue stick. Go ahead, put that on there. Comb those little hairs up. Put as many layers as you need to really kind of solidify that base there. Let it dry completely. And then we're going in with a color correcting palette using the peach shade in that palette and putting that over our brows to help conceal them a little bit more. And then setting that with some setting powder. We're then taking a white water activated face paint and then putting this all over our face and upper body, pretty much wherever our skin is showing. And then I'm using a sponge to just kind of smooth out any harsh edges from the brush. I'm then using a red brow pomade to fill in our brows now that we've concealed them a bit. So pretty much just a pencil thin line, giving ourselves some mischievous brows and flicking up that inner corner a little bit. And then using a black eyeliner pencil on that waterline. I'm going to be prepping my eyelids for some shadow with a white concealer. And then using this kind of magenta-y fuchsia shade for the upper eyelids. Just go ahead, pack that on, and then blend it out with a fluffy brush. We're then going in with this kind of blue, purple, indigo kind of color, and we're going to be using this on our lower lid. And again, just prepping the base with some concealer so it sticks a little bit better. I'm using a pencil brush to pack this on, and then using a slightly bigger, fluffier brush to blend that out and blow it out a little bit. We're then going to grab a grayish black shade and use this to contour our nose here. We're going to give ourselves a little bit of a point on the tip, and then also use this to define and deepen our cheekbones as well. Make sure to blend so you don't have any crazy harsh, weird edges. Then we're just going to start sketching out the shape of our mouth and little fang teeth guys. So go ahead, do that however you wish. And then I'm going to start with putting in the whites of the teeth. Usually I find it's easier to work with your light shades first and then go transition into your darker ones. That way if you need to cover anything up, you can. I'm then going to be using a combination of these two blue paints and using the darker blue to start filling in the outer mouth area and kind of the lips and all that, and then going in with black to fill in and shape out those teeth again, fill in all the negative areas. And then I'm taking that light blue shade and just kind of highlighting and mixing it in with that darker blue to give it a little bit more dimension and make it pop a little bit more, especially against that black. And then I decided that my upper body was just too flat and needed some dimension, so we're going in with that black eyeshadow again and just contouring our throat and collarbones and neck a little bit to just give us a little bit of something going on there. And then I'm just going to be using just generic mascara on my natural lashes just to give it a little pop there. If you want to use falsies, you can make it a little bit more feminine. And then I'm taking out my little clippies that I put in my wig to set my hair. And then that's it, guys. You are now Locke from The Nightmare Before Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Like I said, it's a super easy one to kind of kick off spooky season with our 13 Days of Halloween series. Don't worry though, we got a whole collection of craziness ahead of us for this month. So make sure to stick around. Please subscribe if you want to join our Creep family and join us on this journey. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends. I would really appreciate it. And let me know down below what you guys thought. As always, I love you guys so much. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you soon for the next video. Mwah!